Hey there, my friend. We are back again with our weekly Forex trade setup of the week. This video, I'm going to show you my favorite trade setup for the week ahead. I'm well over to XAUUSD.com. Before we actually get into the video, if you haven't yet subscribed yet, hit the subscribe button now. So let's get into this week's setup. Okay, as you see, the chart we have in front of us now is the Aussie Swiss franc. AUDCHF. Okay, and if you've been watching my videos for a while, you know that I start from a top-down perspective, meaning I look at the higher time frames and look to trade from higher time frame buy and sell areas or supply and demand areas, support and resistance areas, whatever the name you have for them. I'm simply looking for these kind of areas on the higher time frames. Okay, so this week I'm going to start off in the weekly charts, and as you can see, price has been moving into this area here at present. Okay, we've got this weekly area here to 68,900. Okay, but just where price is now, we also have this previous resistance, okay, on the weekly charts. It was a support area and it was a resistance area, okay, as is approaching this area here. Okay, so it's an area of interest I'm going to look at, and just going to zoom into the lower time frames. You can see we've had a nice rally up into this kind of previous support, new resistance. Okay, you can see if the weekly charts again, it was a strong support on the weekly charts before, and also was a resistance here also before. Okay, so this is an area of interest, and I'm liking a sell trade to happen here next week. Okay, as you know, my trades last from anywhere from 1 to 5 days, and this is what I'm expecting to happen this week, that this will sell off on Monday or Tuesday and make its way down before actually moving higher into this weekly area up here. Okay, so what I want to look for in the lower time frames is evidence that price action is slowing down as it's approaching this area here. Okay, and we have a nice divergence signal that happened here on the approach to this resistance area. Okay, which is very, very good to see. Also on Friday, okay, you can see we had a nice, exactly at this area, we had a nice 1 hour divergence signal. Okay, so the entry on this is basically going to enter this Monday morning when the market's open. Okay, if you want to be a little risk averse, simply enter at the price quoted that I'm going to tell you here now. Okay, and as always, trade at your own risk. This is just showing you exactly what I'm doing on Monday, but I will be entering this position as soon as the market's open on Monday morning. Okay, because I do expect this to possibly trace at least 50% of this move down here, and it could, okay, this could be a false rally up and for a move back down towards this kind of weekly area down here. Okay, we will see 64, around 64 500 to 63 area, which is down here. Okay, but first easy target will be likely in and around this area here. Okay, I'm just using a fib line for that. Will be the break even point on this position. Okay, what also could happen on Monday, it could pop up a little bit further. Okay, the first few hours of Monday morning it could gap up, and then we'll see a sell off. We do have the Aussie interest rate statement on Tuesday, okay, which could move this pair to the downside, but I am expecting again a sell off here on early next week and should hold till the end of the week. We will see. Okay, so that's the position. Okay, basically based on this weekly resistance area that was previously a very strong support, and you can see every time it kind of comes to this area it gets a reaction, so we're expecting the same reaction to happen now. Okay, you can see every time it kind of comes to this area, okay, it's getting it was the previous floor also, okay, off this pair, all-time floor, okay, and around this resistance area here. So we'll see how it goes this week, and let's get into the actual setup. Okay, So it's sell AUDCHF at 0.682, or simply enter when markets open on Monday morning in Asia, or Sunday evening in America, or the Europe, wherever we are in the world. Okay, the eastern part of the world will be Sunday evening when the markets open. Sorry, the western parts. The eastern parts will be Monday morning. Okay, stop loss is going to be, okay, we're going to go 130 pips. Okay, 0. Giving it a bit of time to work out. Okay, break even, or sorry, take profit again. Take profit at 0.645 and break even. Okay, even at 67.2. Okay, the break even price is simply when the markets go to this price, close half the position and move your stop loss to the entry price. Okay, so when price dropped, when or if price drops down to 67,200 this week, simply close 50% of the position and move your stop loss to the entry price, which is 68.2. Okay, and then just let the rest of the position work out. Okay, so that's the free setup for this week. Again, as always, trade at your own risk. If you want access to my full list of 22 setups for the week ahead, simply click the link below in the description area of the video. If you have any questions, let me know at will@fxace.com. Very nice move for the week ahead. Hope it works out for you, and let me know in the comments below. Have a great week, and see you on the next video.